we are on our way to Hollywood Studios. So the plan this morning, we're going to rope drop Rise, but there's a Skyliner. So yeah, the plan is to do Rise, then maybe Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. We'll get Smuggler's Run, and then obviously like Tower of Terror Rock and Roller Coaster later on. But yeah, day 2, up nice and sharp. It seems to be busy this morning. It's currently 7:20. So yeah, I love early mornings. How are you this morning?
Tired.
Tired. How are you, Gemma?
Well, I was going to say not tired at all, but the fact that my brain wouldn't even bring that out of my mouth means maybe I am tired. But I feel really excited. I've not really properly done this part since probably about 2010, so very excited to see the new sections. Can't wait to see Star Wars Land, Minnie and Mickey Runaway Rail, and just go back on all the Toy Story Land rides and get the grilled cheese, and maybe get the soup to dip it in. I'm not sure though, they'll depend on the temperature. In another strawberry outside of fish.
I mean, I don't think it's too bad, considering the volumes of people that were coming in.
Yeah. So park open for early guests at 8:30.
No.
8. The ride's open at 8. I'm guessing the park will open a bit earlier.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. First stop, Rise. So we're on the mission. How are you feeling?
Good.
Go, go, go! Good job, team.
That was a good effort.
Yeah.
The shins can recover later. But
I'm genuinely so out of breath.
it's fine.
7:49.
Yeah.
We overtook so many people there.
Yeah, good effort, team.
So in Hollywood Studios we have just like power walked straight through to Rise of the Resistance. So excited, never been on this one before. I'm actually maybe more out of breath than I realised. That was tough work because it's quite far away. But the queue's moving.
The runners are only like 2 groups in front of us.
There were some runners in front of us and you're not allowed to run. Not impressed.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits.
Right, Rise done. How was it?
Excellent, I really like it.
Yeah. Gemma, how was your first experience of it?
Good, I loved that. It was really cool. It was like Ratatouille, if you didn't hear that wee boy say it. But like, like, it was amazing how it was a similar system, but they made it just like so much more exciting. Whereas Ratatouille was like lemon chill.
Yeah.
That was like, oh.
Yeah.
It was great. My favourite bit, I have to say, was when we went in that wee room and the same door opened, but we didn't come out. I don't know how they did that.
Yeah. So we just came out there and it was a 140-minute wait, and we were in and out within half an hour. So good job. We're now off to Mickey and Minnie. First time for us. First time for Gemma.
Yep.
First time morning.
So we've stopped for a little Starbies while Scott's on Rockin'. A sly refresher, decaf latte, muffin with the sausage removed, and a pan.
For Scott, yeah.
Yes.
And a show.
Nice. So we've just gone to see the Frozen sing-along. It was so good. I liked that it finished with some snow, so that was cool. The little historian people were so funny, I loved them. And yeah, it was just really, really nice actually. I'm really enjoying being in Hollywood Studios today. It's really nice, but it's really, really busy. So like, it felt like at one point everything was like a 15 or 20 minute queue, and then suddenly everything was like an hour. It just really escalated quick. So now we're gonna head back down to Batu, get some blue or green milk. I'm not sure which one to try. I don't think I'll like either, but it's all part of the fun. So yeah.
said what? Yeah.
Really nice, actually.
Oh.
Oh no, that's something. That tastes something.
I would do it Twister.
Ice lollies. It's like a twisted ice lolly.
When she said, I was like, you want to say? She was like, girl, I'm
Happy with your purchase then?
I was like, shut.
Lots of people are like, oh, I don't like it. So I was a bit sceptical about whether or not I would actually like it, but I do. I tend to like things other people don't, and tend to not like most things that people like.
What's the plan now?
Well, currently there's a Toy Story Mini for 11:15. So.
Oh, that's like 1 minute. You've got 1 minute.
I know. That's why I'm waiting.
Okay.
That blue milk was such a treat. I loved it. I'm really surprised. I loved it. I could just drink that all day. That was right up my street. We're gonna have a little look at the shops and then go get some lunch. We've got lunch booked at Woody's Lunchbox and I'm excited.
Mental swirling saucers are 60 minutes. Head Donald.
So here we've got the grilled cheese, tomato soup and tots. My first ever tots. Oh, you've got tots. Loaded tots.
How is the grilled cheese?
It's so good.
Yeah. Woody's Lunchbox strikes again, no tables. Toy Story Mania time! Whoop whoop whoop! Lightning Lane. 95-minute wait. But we will wait!
Who do you think's gonna win?
Amy.
Not me. I think we all know I'll be last. Amy's probably gonna win. And Scott will probably be. So we've just been on Toy Story Mania, so much fun. I did actually quite well. I got 116,000, but absolutely nothing compared to the pros. What did you get?
I got 205, but I made a massive mistake in the last bonus round that I hit the other, like because I was aiming right, I hit the other person's bonus and it didn't count towards my bonus. So I feel like I probably could have been up about around 230.
Yeah.
But not
Sad. Yeah. I can only dream
Thank
of such scores. So yeah, time to go on Slinky. Is it over this way?
Yeah.
Oh, I absolutely love this. Can't wait.
Off to do Smuggler's Run, did Slinky Dog Dash, and we have also done Toy Story Mania.
It was amazing. I love Slinky Dog. It was such a fun.
Obviously no theming in single rider lane, but
Engineers in the back, for me, please.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Gorelia. Flight engineers, prepare desk. Hit your flashing buttons.
press your buttons.
There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. Us, we need to defend Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is. After that...
So just off Smuggler's Run, how did you find it?
It was so good. It was quite a stressful ride. Lots going on, lots of people to go on track of, but it was so good. I don't think we had the best pilots, I have to say.
Yeah, they weren't ideal, it was a bit shaky.
Yeah, I mean, they were not really avoiding the...
They also were not communicating with each other. We went single rider and we were expecting to be like split up, but we weren't, and...
Walked straight on after 5 minutes while the queue's 80.
Yeah. So, yeah. Amy's already way back to the hotel for a nap, and we're just about to head back there as well, I think. So
I'm going to sit by the pool, maybe have a wee cocktail.
we thought the power walking was done for the day, but no, there is a bus. We need to get to 18, we're at 12. And I think we've made it. So we have had a nice relaxing afternoon, and we are now about to head to Animal Kingdom, but the rain has started and it's downpour. We have Navi River Journey and also Everest, but Everest is down, so we're probably...
use that for safari in the rain.
Ooh.
Like, see if we don't mind like getting wet and walking places in the rain.
I do not mind that. It's only water.
Yeah, that's fine. We're now ready for the water, so...
We've got our swim shorts on.
Yeah.
Carrier bags at the ready. And... woo! Hello rain, we love you.
Oh, it's humid.
It's so wet.
This is our first rain.
Yeah.
The good thing is it maybe clears out the park a little bit.
Yeah.
As the camera gets a little steamy.
It's so smelly. There must be like overflowing drains or something.
You still look dry.
I am definitely not dry.
But you're dry because of water dripping. It looks wet, but that means it's not soaking in, whereas ours are soaking in.
So, we just ran to the bus stop. As you can see, the water is flowing.
It's like 2, 3, 4,
6, 7. Oh!
It really does now.
10, 11, 12.
It's probably at Animal Kingdom right now. But yeah, a little wet. But that's okay.
Oh, I feel like I went into the park earlier.
We're on holiday, so it's fine. We're happy. It's not ideal if you're sitting in that seat. There's a bit of a leak coming from there. It said that the seats were quite wet, and I wasn't sure if the escape thing was open or not, or if there's a bit of a leak. But there's a big puddle there, and my feet are now wet, but I don't care. The rain is easing, but still a little wet. We've come to Animal Kingdom.
We're back in 2 days.
Everyone looks buzzing to be here. It's going to be really fun. Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom dance, go. Good job.
We're in Animal Kingdom. It's just been absolutely pouring, but so excited to be here despite the rain. We're in like wet clothes, so it's fine, and we'll dry speedy. And yeah, heading to safari. Amy's got a really good dance.
3, it's so nice.
So pretty.
They can stand 6 feet tall, and as adults they will grow all the way up to 20 feet tall. They have the same amount of vertebrae in their neck as us humans do, which is 7, just a lot larger. Now, those beautiful trunks that they have on them are going to have around 100,000 different mussels in it. And it's able to carry about 2.5 gallons of water.
Just been on the safari. How was it?
So good. We saw little rhinos running.
Chasing the
Like
food.
not chasing the truck.
Either chasing for food or chasing to kill. I mean, definitely chasing for food. The rain's kind of stopped. Sun is there.
Just trying to get out.
We're heading to Navi River Journey now. Fast pass finishes in 15 minutes. We will definitely make that. But safari was good, nice and wet, saw some lions, saw some rhinos, saw some giraffes. Yeah.
So we're heading round to Avatar. I'm so excited. We're gonna use, well, Amy was really smart earlier, and we knew that Everest was down, so Amy booked a fast pass for Everest, and then that got cancelled and we got a free like ride any ride pass. So now we're going to use it on Navi River Journey. Really excited, it's such a pretty ride. And then I'm going to get some Pongo Lumpia. I love them, they're so nice.
Mid first bite.
It's absolutely divine. It's like, I can hear angels singing just now. Yeah, so it's the Pongo Lumpia, cream cheese and pineapple spring roll, and it is perfection. I'm very happy.
The rain has stopped, the sun is shining. It's going to be a good night.
I've just been on Navi River Journey. It's beautiful. I love it. The colours, the music, the lights.
Here's Amy!
Hello. And there's also sharks. But then I didn't know how we felt
Bear.
about keeping an eye on like passage and maybe jumping into the queue at like 7 or half 7 or like near the end and then just waiting like an hour or whatever it would be. Because at the end of the night we have the heads up and we go on this ride and then that again takes the pressure off tomorrow. We could change tomorrow's in it. Just go. We don't even know what the plan was.
We don't have a plan, let's go.
It's time for the honey chicken. They were out of mini mango pie though, I'm very sad.
Everest, baby! Back row. There's also no single rider line, so I will be going straight onto that afterwards. So just been on Everest twice, one lightning lane and one single rider. Single rider was a walk on, so that was fine. Decided just to jump on. I was going to go a third time, but I thought might as well go and see Amy and Gemma at the front of the park. I think they've been away shopping. So as you can see behind me is Dinoland. Not sure how long that'll be there. Plan for the rest of the night, not really sure. Might head to Magic Kingdom. Whoa. Beautiful scenery. But yeah, might head to Magic Kingdom, meet Sam for a drink. But we'll see. I'll catch up with the girls and then see what they want to do. So we have just been on Flight of Passage.